Welcome back, guys. Today we're making pancakes, and these ones are extra special because they're gluten-free, nut-free, and refined sugar-free. I'm going to make the batter in the Vibe blender, and we're going to serve these with a really quick and easy lemon butter. These pancakes are great for everybody, but especially those who are following gluten-free or SCD diets. Let's start by making up the lemon butter. So for the lemon butter, we've got 2 tablespoons of softened butter, the zest of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. I'm gonna mix that together in a small bowl, set it aside, and we'll come back to that once our pancakes are done. So now I'll move on to the pancake batter. Everything goes into the blender jug, and we're gonna start with 4 eggs. Then add 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a cup of coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda, and a pinch of salt. Now you can go ahead and blend all of that up on smoothie mode for around 20 seconds. Scrape down the sides after that and then blend it up once more for another 20 seconds. After that, let the batter sit for around 3 minutes in the jug. The coconut flour will absorb some of that liquid and it'll thicken slightly. So now we can cook these pancakes. I have a non-stick crepe pan heating over medium-low heat. I'll spoon the batter straight onto the pan and cook them for a few minutes each side. If you like, you can add a little bit of butter or coconut oil to the pan as well. So there you go, there's our gluten-free pancakes with our lemon butter, great for weekends or for lunchbox snacks. Another great way to use the Vibe blender. Give the recipe a go at home and let us know what you think in the comment section below. Check out the recipe blog for more tips and tricks on this one. Give the video a like if you enjoyed this one today, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more Luvele Life recipes. We look forward to bringing you some more healthy food over the next weeks.